Hello guys, today I will show you how to make call. Hello guys, I will try to show you how you can make at least 1,000 coins a day. If you want to get these cool cars like I have, these BMW M4, Porsche GTRs, and AMGs, in all of these BMWs, on all of these cars are really hard to get. In more, you can get all these cars simply by using this car right here. Yes, you're like, then I'll be like, how can we do that? First, you have to buy this car from the marketplace, or you could go onto the public server and get it. When you buy it, you have to get the with the engine it has, you have to put the max amount of upgrades it has. And then you have to copy these details that I'm about to show about the gearbox suspension. After you have done that, you have to go to the maintenance option and you have to put the tire pressure to 2.4 bars. Always 2.4 bars, it's not going to be good. Oil is another one, and the fuel must be E85 and max out. And the bad thing about this car is that its fuel pump is going to wear out very easily. Now you have to copy these settings, the tires, and use slick tires, not semi-slick. Now copy these. Copy these brake settings for both of the brakes. You then use a normal brake caliper or this one that I'm using. Now this dyno test this car. And this is the RPM control. 7,000 should be the red line. And always use a supercharger. And when now see there is maybe one chance if you go really slow on this, you might have a really not a good race, at least second and third. Because my tires are not in a good condition right now. And I should upgrade them. And you should actually do this to car setting. If you do this now, see that I but you can use whatever your playstyle is on the game. As you can see, I got I'm 53 seconds. Normally these NPC cars get 1 point, 1 minute and 6 seconds. After this lap we're going to find L1 and then we'll get 20,000 money and 100 points. We do not get about the money, maybe you do, but I only get about the coins. Finished the racing first. As you can see, I had 2,050 points. After this race, if I win this, it will be 2,150.
A few moments later.
Right side. And race complete. There it is, from result. And if you don't know how to get this car, you can use the daily task to get the coins, 300 each day. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. Love, eh?